To properly transport your Sportsman 570, follow these steps. Ensure your trailer and tie-down straps are properly rated for your vehicle weight. Always follow all warnings and precautions listed by the manufacturers. Begin by performing a quick inspection on your trailer to ensure it is clean and free of any major debris. Before loading, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. Next, safely drive your vehicle onto the trailer. Do not transport the vehicle in a reverse direction on the trailer. Place the vehicle in park and verify the park position is displayed in the gauge. Lock the parking brake and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Turn the engine off and remove the key to prevent loss during transport. Ensure the seat is properly secured and the fuel cap is latched. Also ensure the front and rear storage compartments are latched. Verify all accessories, if equipped, are properly secured. Before securing the vehicle to the trailer, inspect the tie-down straps for any wear or damage and replace if needed. Beginning at the front, attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down point. Then, attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Do not attach the tie straps to the front control arm bolt pockets. Move to the rear of the vehicle and attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down points. Then, attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Next, evenly tighten the tie-down straps until the suspension begins to compress. Then, secure any extra length of the straps before transporting. Perform a final inspection to ensure all tie-downs are tight and secure. Finish by preparing your trailer for safe travel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.